Bar graphs, probably the most widely used data visualization technique that there is out there. And why not? They're easy to make and really good for comparing values of data like I have here with this invoice data. So to make this bar graph in DataGraph, I can just do this quickly, select your column, and go over and find the bar command. Once you have that, we'll go ahead and add the command. There you go. I've got my bar graph. It's currently showing the on the x-axis, those labels are the row number, but if you want to have text labels there, one of the quick things to do is when you make it, actually select the column also that you want to have for those x-axis labels, then make your bar graph. There it is. I've got now my invoice numbers. Yep, looks like invoice 6 was the highest one in this set of data. Cool thing about the bar graph is that you can also use number values on the x-axis, and look what happens when I choose both the date and the amount and make a bar graph with the same exact command. It's essentially making kind of a timeline of all this data. Very handy. Here's the thing though, what we often want to do with data like this is you might want to sum these values over some increment of time. I can do that too, but I'm not going to use the bar command. The bar command just displays your data. For the pivot command, this is what it's perfectly used for. Here's where the pivot command is up on our toolbar. To use this, I'm going to do the same thing as the last one, select the invoice date and the amount, but instead we'll add the pivot command. Automatically, it's going to sum our values, and it's picking a year as the increment of time to sum over, but I can easily go in there and then change this to map from rows to quarters, for example. Looks like Q4 2024 did really well. So there you have it, your basic bar graphs and your pro tip using the pivot command to sum your data. And that's bar graphs in DataGraph.